Welcome to our channel Maths Bench. This channel for the students who are going to 10th class exams or studying 10th class. So please watch all my videos and share to your friends so that they can revise my videos and the concepts, then they can get good score. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, in this video I would like to explain probability concept using coins. When one coin is tossed, then the possible outcomes are 2. We know the formula 2 power n is equal to 1 value, so 2. There are two possibilities, head and tail. This you know very well, right? When two coins are tossed, then the possible outcomes are 4. Formula 2 power 2 is equal to 4. What are possible outcomes? Coin 1 and coin 2. Head, 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 tail, tail, head. Last one, tail, tail. So 4 possible outcomes: head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. This is also you know very well. And the third one, if 3 coins are tossed, then the all possible outcomes. How many? 8, because 2 power 3 is equal to 8. And these are the all possible outcomes. In this video I would like to explain how to write easy way in short time, that I will explain to you in this video. Okay, let's start. If a coin is tossed once, then find the probability of getting a head, right? What are all possible outcomes? There are only two possible outcomes, either head or tail. How many possible outcomes? Two possible outcomes only. Formula to find out the number of possible outcomes is equal to 2 to the power n. We have tossed only one coin. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. So there are two possible outcomes only. So probability sorry, the outcomes are head and tail only. Here asked to question, what is the probability of getting head? Probability of getting head is equal to formula number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. How many favorable outcomes? There are only one head is there out of two outcomes, so 1 by 2 is probability of head. If we asked about what is the probability of tail, also same formula, number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. There are only one tail, 1 out of total outcomes are 2, so result is equal to 1 by 2, right? It is very easy, we think you know very well. Now when your coins are increased, if two coins are tossed, then what are the all possible outcomes? Okay, now here you have to write coin 1 and coin 2. We know already outcomes in the examination you have to write in this format, then you can able to write fast and easy and without any mistakes. So here trick is here. We know the formula to find out number of outcomes, 2 power n. 2 power n is equal to number of coins, or how many coins are here? 2 coins are there, so 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So when you got 4 outcomes, total outcomes are 4, such case you have to take its by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to what? 2. So here you have to write 2 heads, later 2 tails. You got here 2, no? The 2 heads, 2 tails. Again 2 by 2, 1 head, tail, head, tail. Once again I am writing here coin 1 and coin 2. How can we write its possible outcomes in short way, in easy way? Here 2 power n is equal to 2 power 2 coins. 2 power 2 is equal to 4. Whatever you got the value by 2, that many heads you have to write, that many tails you have to write first case. So 2 heads and 2 tails. After getting 2, what will be? 1 1 1, right? We can say that 1 head 1 tail, 1 head 1 tail. right? For the cases of three coins also same manner. If when the three coins are tossed, then what are the possible outcomes? What will be the all possible outcomes when you tossed three coins at a time or three coins once? Let's see, right? Here also same format. What are the coins here? How many coins you have taken? Three coins you have taken. So 2 to the power 3, number of outcomes 2 power 3 is equal to 8 outcomes you are getting. So 8 by 2 is equal to 4 heads and 4 tails you have to write. 4 heads, 4 tails you have to write in the first case. So head, 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 head. Next 4 tails, tail, 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 tail. Again 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Now 2 heads, 2 tails. Again head, head, tail, tail. Now coin 3, again 2 by 2 kabatti 1. So 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail. 4 heads, 4 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Right? In this format you can write any coins, either 2 coins or 3 coins. You can write 4 coins also. When you tossed 4 coins simultaneously, then the number of possible outcomes are 2 power 4 is equal to 16 possible outcomes are there. So the 16 outcomes also we can write by using this simple logic, right? How can we write? Here we can understand coin 1, coin 2, coin 3 and coin 4. So what are the possible, how many coins you are tossing? 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is equal to 16 outcomes you should get. So out of 16 by 2 is called as 8. So 8 heads you have to follow, 8 tails you have to follow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now 4 tails, tail, 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 tail. 8 heads, 8 tails, total 16. Later 8 by 2 is equal to what here? 4. Now we can follow head, 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 tail, 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 tail. Again head, 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 tail, 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 tail. After getting 4, what we can? 4 by 2 is equal to 2. No? Now we have to take here 2, 2, 2. So head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail. Last one you can write here head, tail, 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 head, tail. Right? Like that we can write 16 possible outcomes also. Not only 4 coins, 5 coins, 10 coins also we can write using a simple trick. So no need of 4 coins. We have the knowledge up to the 3 coins is enough. 4 coins heads, 4 coins tails, 2 coins heads, 2 coins tails. Like that if you write these are the possible outcomes, you can write in examination without okay na, without any confuse. We can able to write in easy manner also in short time. Are you clear? 4 heads, 4 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails, head, tail. This is the format how to write the all possible outcomes when you are tossing 3 coins at a time. Using of this we have to calculate the problems. Let's discuss the problems related to the coins, either 2 coins or 3 coins. Okay. Well, the problems, when 2 coins are tossed, then the possible outcomes are, we know 2 power 2 is equal to 4. We can write these are the all possible outcomes, right? Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. 4 by 2, 2 means 2 heads, 2 tails, 1 head, 1 tail. Like that you can write. You have to memorize that clearly, practice well. Now what is the probability of getting head? Probability of getting head or probability of getting tail. I mean 2 heads, 1 head and probability of getting 1 head, 1 tail. Okay, now probability of getting 1 head, in this case we are getting 1 head, in this case also we are getting 1 head. So 2 chances are there out of 1 2 3 4 possible outcomes. Result is 1 by 2. Probability of one tail also same, one tail, one tail. There are two possibilities. 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Both head, both are head. Here both possibilities are head, only one chance. So 1 by 4, there is no cancellation. Like that they will give any question, you can able to write, observe the question and its all possible outcomes. Now this is the next one. When you tossed two coins at a time, three coins at a time, these are the possible outcomes. I already told you how to write these all outcomes, right? 4 heads, 4 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails. Later all are single. Now the question is given, what is the probability of 3 heads? All the 3 are heads, 1 2 3, these all are heads. There is only one possibility of getting all heads. 3 heads, no, there is no 3 heads any place. We have in one place 3 coins are head. So one chance out of how many chances? 8 possible outcomes. So 1 by 8. Okay na? Next one, 2 heads, only 2 heads anamata. In this case head. So this is one chance. Here head, second chance. Here head, third chance. So how many possible outcomes are there? 3 chances out of 8. 2 heads, you have to check only 2 heads. These are 3 heads problem. This is 2 heads, so it is possible. This also 2 heads, possible. This also 2 heads, possible. And the remaining case there is no possibility of getting 2 heads. Okay na? So 3 by 8, 3 chances are there out of 8 times. Here the next question is probability of at least 2 heads. Probability of at least 2 heads అంటే కనీసం 2 ఉండాలి, అంటే 2 ఉన్నా ఆర్ మోర్ దాన్ 2. At least 2 అంటే minimum 2, either 2 or 3 also we have to consider here, because the question is given at least 2 heads. At least means minimum 2 heads ఉండాలి, that is concept. Here are the minimum 2 heads are there? Yes. Are here minimum 2 heads? Yes. Are here minimum 2 heads? Yes. Okay na? Here only 1, so not possible. Here 2 heads possible, and remaining all the cases are not possible. So at least 2 heads is that is it. So 1 2 3 4 chances are there. So 4 out of 8 you can cancel. Result is equal to 1 by 2. Right? Next one, at most 2 heads. At most means maximum 2, and means it is possible of getting either 1 or 2. That is the meaning of at most. At most means maximum 2, either 1 possibility, 2 also possibility. Here is there any head value? No. So here it is head 1 possibility, here also head 1 possibility, and here head 2, so possibility. Here also head 1 possibility, head 2 possibility, head 2 possibility. Head 3s are not possible, because it has given question at most 2, maximum 2, not 3. So in this case, this is the one case which has the 2 heads. In this case which has 2 heads. In this case which has 2 heads, sorry, 1 head. In this case which has 2 heads. In this case which has 1 head. In this case also 1 head. So either 2 is possible or 1 is also possible. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 possibilities are there. So 6 out of 8 is equal to 6. 2 table, 2 3s are, 2 4s are. So result is equal to 3 by 4 is the result. Do you understand about the difference between at least 2 heads, at most 2 heads? At least 2 heads means the minimum 2 heads, right? At least, I mean, either 2 or 3 possibilities. Okay, now at least 2. So 3 also possible. At most 2 heads means either 1 or 2 only possibility. So 3 by 4. If we have any confuse, play back, I mean, revise the video once again. Okay, now then you can able to understand. Okay, similarly you have to go for the next outcome. So 2 tails, or at least 2 tails and at most 2 tails. These you can practice yourself Two tails means only two tails you have to see. Only two tails. Okay na? At least two tails. At least two tails means either two or three tails you have to consider. At most two tails means maximum two. That means you can say consider one and you can consider two tails also. Right? I hope you understand. If you not understand, once again revise the video, then you can able to understand. Practice yourself, write all possible outcomes and memorize the concepts, how to write, how to select your number of favorable outcomes. Okay students, well, and I will give the self assessment page for you. Okay, now then pause the video, then practice yourself, then I can able to attempt any question from this content which is related to the probability coins content. Okay guys, pause the video and memorize these all the concepts and write yourself for practice. Later solve these problems which are self assessment, then you can able to solve any problem in examinations. Thank you for watching my channel. Good luck everyone. Thank you.